In this video, we're going to walk through how to configure your scoreboard output to your display. ProScoreboard allows you to send one main output to any device recognized as a system display by macOS, or a hardware video output using external hardware by Blackmagic Design. You can also duplicate that output to a network video protocol called NDI if you wish to send it to another computer or streaming software like OBS. To get started, click on ProScoreboard in the top left corner, then click Settings. We'll start with the system display configuration, so click Display. Here you should see all of the connections your computer recognizes as some sort of display or monitor represented as boxes. This layout should mirror what you see in system display settings for your Mac. There should be a black shape marked Output assigned to one of those boxes. To change the assigned scoreboard output, simply drag it from one box to another. If the output box snaps back to the original display, restart the program. Your updated settings should be visible once the program launches. Assign any additional settings that you prefer depending on your setup, then close the settings window. You can toggle the output button on the top right to initiate your scoreboard output. The icon should switch from off to on when it's enabled. Two things to note here. The status indicator only applies to system display outputs. If you're using a video hardware device, which we will cover next, the status button will not toggle your output as it will always be enabled. Also, if you accidentally map the scoreboard output to your main computer monitor, you can use Command 1 to toggle that output off and gain access to the controller window again. Okay, now let's talk about video hardware devices. ProScoreboard allows you to use Blackmagic Design video devices to send your scoreboard output over SDI. This is perfect for long cable runs and for configurations that require an alpha keyed scoreboard feed to be sent to a larger video system. But before we can utilize these devices, you will need to download and install the latest version of Blackmagic Desktop Video from their support site. This program is where you configure the hardware so it will work with your setup. Once installed, you can make any necessary adjustments to the output resolution and frame rate. Back in ProScoreboard, we will go back to Settings and click the HD-SDI tab. Here, click the drop-down menu next to Device and select your Blackmagic hardware. Then, select the output resolution and frame rate that matches the settings from desktop video. For alpha key outputs, enable alpha key and choose your preferred key method. This should immediately send a signal from your output, but just like with system displays, you may need to reboot the program for those settings to take effect. Lastly, if you wish to use the NDI output feature, you can choose NDI and follow the same steps as before. Once properly configured, it should be discoverable in your streaming software. And that's it. If you have any issues with your configuration or need additional assistance, email support@renewedvision.com and our support team can help you get back on track. And for any additional information, check out the other tutorials in the series or go to renewedvision.com/ProScoreboard. Thanks for watching.